everyone. Today topic is the clinical research process. The clinical research are the stage in which scientists conduct experiment with a health investigation to obtain evidence for a process considered effective as a medical treatment for a drug development. The clinical phase start with testing for drug safety in a few human subjects. They expand to many study participants, potentially tens of thousands, to determine in the treatment is effective. Clinical research in conduct on drug candidate, vaccine candidate, new medical device, and new diagnosis assist research, design clinical trials to answer a specific research question related to a medical product. This trial follow a specific study plan called a protocol that is developed by the research or manufacturer before a clinical trials begin. Research review prior information about the drug to develop research question and objective. They then decide. The clinical research refer to medical research on human subject. The medical technology is the clinical research is improving day by day, and more disease that could not be cured some time age are now being considered. This is due to the fact that people involved in the medical field contains with conduct clinical research in various from some medical field are studied over a long periodic of time, sometime extending over many years, or discard. The clinical research is the purpose of clinical research are to elucidate the cause of disease, establish treatment method, prevent disease, and so now according to the ethical guidelines for clinical research defined by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. The subject of clinical research are mainly classified into the following four categories: investigational of the cause of injury lines, understanding of clinical condition. The clinical research is improving or validating the effectiveness of method for preventing injury lines, improving or validating a diagnosis or treatment method in medicine according to the guideline of the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. The purpose of clinical research is to identify factors that affect health and accumulate useful knowledge. Improving medical technology through clinical research will also lead to improve quality of life and health for patient. Clinical research is a general term for medical research conduct on human subject. Clinical research include not only clinical study but also various other types of research such as epidemiological studies, validity study, and prognostic factor study. Is a clinical study in clinical research are study to determine the efficacy and safety of a drug treatment. A clinical study are designed to follow methodic planning process where the CUSPIC a laboratory and in animal testing will the challenges in the human metabolism to ensure that the drug has an effect of an disease to treatment that this with an acceptable manageable level toxicity and finally achieve treatment in goals of the manner that existing therapies. Thank you.